Today, we live in a world of cloud apps, and they multiply every day. Often, each app is able to solve one specific task, and chances are you have heard someone blather on APIs. But what is it exactly? How to use it? Let's call over a dog. Let's ask her to bring a ball. And now, let's ask her to lie down. As you see, your dog did exactly what you asked her to do. API works the same way. It listens, it takes requests and gives you responses. This can be anything. Your app can send you data for reporting, delete redundant info, copy data from one app to another, create, update, move. Really, your apps can ask each other to do anything. They just need to know the right commands. To give you a simple example, let's say you just did a seasonal sale in your online store and you want to find out how successful it was. To do this, you can collect data on stock from your warehouse. Your reporting system sends a request through the API. Your payment app can deliver cash flow numbers to you through API. Or you may want to know which delivery options were the most popular, and you can collect this data. So basically, API is how apps talk and understand each other. It helps exchange business data in our digital world in ways we never thought possible.